Slide number 35. As we learned, the 2/4, the 3/4, same thing. It's the 4 beats in a bar. You learn 2 beats in a bar, 3 beats to 4 beats. There's no difference at all in explanation. Straight away, I can play a small combination of crotchet, minim, semi-minim. So let's play again. Take a C note or E note, whatever we take. E note will take. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Room number 1 we finish. Bar number 1. Bar number 2. E, 2, 3, 4. We were holding the sound for 4 beats because life of the note is 4. Next bar E, 2, E, 4. So we held the note 2 beats, 2 beats, 2 notes. So it's complete 4 beats. Next E, 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 E. The full bar is having 4 notes. So we played 4 individual notes. Next E, 2, E, E. So E was held for 2 beats and again 2 E's were played because for 3 and 4. Last one E, 2, 3, 4. So if you play without stopping like this, you will get the tune out of it. E, 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 E2, E4, E, E2, E, E2, 3, 4. Now I got the tune. So that's how we learn the songs.